Hello, friends. It is Running Kimono. It is Thursday morning. Well, I went grocery shopping and looking around Walmart last night around late evening, and I found the mother lode of like cheap food and cheap stuff and no paper coupons needed, but like amazing deals with the rebate apps. So I wanted to share it with you guys. If you're a fan of this lotion called Cetaphil, it is really nice. This is found in a very specific part of the store, and I'll walk you through it. And this is the 16 fluid ounce. It's about $10 or $11 in that neighborhood. This is unscented. I used it last night. It is a beautiful cream. If you love Cetaphil, you know the stuff is expensive. Like near the pharmacy, they have this little aisle. It's like a side cap and an end cap. It's all full of like sunscreen, lotions, and potions, and a lot of like different like aftercare for the sun. See where the Cetaphil is, those jars. It's at like right 12 o'clock ahead. It's right there. This is the only product that was ringing up for this bizarre cost of $2.84, I believe. The rest are all like in that $10 neighborhood. Now, if you go to the site brickseek.com, this is an inventory checker, and then type in, this is the UPC for this specific lotion. And if your store says that they have it in stock, I would get yourself to the store right away. And hopefully you know how to use BrickSeek. Very easy to use, completely free. It's just to give you an idea of what is in the store. And just read the directions. This isn't affiliated with Walmart. It's just an inventory checker site. So hopefully you can find it. I did check before going to the store yesterday. Price of gas. I'm just not going to go, and spend $80 in gas to go to Walmart for something that's not there. And it said there was 6+ at my store. And when I went there, there was probably like, I think at least 15 to 20 on the shelf. You guys saw the photo. Okay, so without any manufacturer coupon, here's the breakdown. This guy is $2.82. So Ibotta, the rebate app, has a rebate for $2.25 that you can do up to 3 times. So it makes it 57 cents. And yes, I did get 3 of these lotions because it is such a great price. Like 57 cents for a product that's almost $11. Absolutely what it's about. I don't have any manufacturer paper coupons to go with, so like I still made a deal happen in 57 cents. They're practically giving this away. So if you know anything about skincare and this is your thing and this is unscented, it's a very thick, and you know how Vaseline, Suave, have like an oily undertone? This one doesn't. Even if you just wanted to try one, it is a really lovely skin cream. I have been using Cetaphil since about 2008, and I swear by it. Whenever I can find it really cheap with coupons or I can find a deal on it, I always try to stock up, but it is really expensive. Now, in the Smart Source insert of July the 18th, there is both a 6 off a 2 and a $3 that work for the lotion. So, my understanding is that at self-checkout, because these are high-value coupons, you need a manager to override it. So just go to a regular lane. If your store has them at $2 and some change, you're going to need something to grab that overage. And then this $3 one, my understanding is it beeps. So you have until August the 14th to use them. Try and make a deal happen. And if you have this, it's even a better deal. But I know that the Ibotta rebate is vanishing. Like mine had a timer of like 6 days to use. So I would move on that deal like right away because this is going to get cleared. Even to pay $3 for a $10 Cetaphil, people are going to clear it because it's such value. And if you're kind of like, I don't really care for Ibotta, today's the day to sign up. If you use the link in the notes to join my team specifically, I think you're given a $20 bonus when you submit your first qualifying receipt. It has to be a product. And they even had this free loaf of bread, guys. And guess what? My store was completely out of this bread. And I was like, it would have been so nice to get a free loaf of bread for hubby. But they didn't have it, but I have a couple of days to get it. They often put little freebies, so like it's a really fun app to use. If you have not signed up, today's the day. Sign up, and when you submit your first qualifying receipt, it has to be a product. It just can't be the any stuff. Like they have these like 10-cent on like any products in the store, but it has to be a product, and you're given like an extra $20 with my link. So check it out if you've been kind of like, I don't know. Today's the day to do it. Okay, so as I was looking for my bread, I did walk through the frozen food aisle. I did see a couple photos on Instagram, but I haven't been to Walmart in a really long time. And I looked at the frozen food section, and there was still a lot at my store. These waffles are originally $4.38, down to $1.09. Ibotta has $1 back for each box. Makes it 9 cents, and the limit for this is up to 5. Now with BrickSeek, you can't look up food products. You'll physically have to go to the store, look in the frozen food waffle breakfast aisle and try and find it or not. But 9 cents, and this stuff doesn't expire till the spring of next year. So like that is crazy. Here is the UPC. Unfortunately, you can't look up food on BrickSeek. I don't believe you can, but like, oh my gosh, like 9 cents for 8 waffles. It's like a penny each. That's like 1.00002 pennies per bite. Okay, so now we have this apple cinnamon Chex Mix. If you're a Meijer shopper, you know this was a freebie a couple weeks back, and a lot of us could not find it. I was like, oh, it must be nice. But this guy is like $3.98 at Walmart. I would look for this sooner in the week because guess what? It is a free item with Ibotta, so hopefully you have the same rebate as I. But a completely free item, you go, you pay for this, submit it to the Ibotta rebate, and you get that amount back, which is really fantastic. And it's a limit of 1 as well. So I went and got this. I paid the $3.98, got back $3.98 from Ibotta. Plus, Fetch Rewards has 500 points back when you buy any General Mills cereal. So it made this free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. And so that's just absolutely fantastic. A little bit of extra savings. And just to show you right here, yes, I did get back my 500 points, which is 50 cents. And I mean, this is just the best app to use. I just photographed my receipt, not expecting a thing, and then I got back 50 cents. So I was really happy about that. And, if you're doing big groceries for the family, there's always like little hidden things that you might get extra points back. If you're interested, check out this app as well in the notes if you want to sign up. Now the El Montre, they're like breakfast burritos, $6.34. The original price point of this is like $12.68, so it's 50% off. Now these are 12 individually wrapped breakfast burritos. If you like some quick breakfast, I was shocked there were so many left, but this is absolutely something that I love to have in the pantry. And I believe all of this food started clearing last week sometime, like it was like Friday or something. So I am like super late to the game, and I was still finding so much stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh. So here are the UPCs if you want to look for either one. But again, I don't believe you could type in food on BrickSeek. But just to give you a starting point of what to specifically look for in the store, I love to have these if I, am running late one morning and I just need a little something to eat. I'm one of these people I have to eat in the morning. My husband's the opposite, but I need something in the morning or I'm just like a zombie. So I got one of each. I wanted to try them out. And I did try one of them this morning, the blue package, and it was really good. And then I also got these for hubby. They're called Bagel Dots. The original price point is almost $4. So it's like a donut hole with like cream cheese and cinnamon and all that goodness. I just got like 2 bags in case it's like really not that great. I just thought, maybe it'd be a nice little treat. And here's the UPC for this. I have never purchased these products either, but to pay $1, we'll try that all day, every day. I mean, that's a really good price point. Now, before I take off, guys, I made a video on Monday, the best gain deals over at the Dollar General. This Saturday, it is going to be on. So many of us will be hauling very large gain hauls. If you want to check this out, if you are not an avid Dollar General shopper, this is 100% digital. Anyone can do it. All you need is a phone number. Please check out this video. Lots of great information to get really inexpensive gain. And I know a lot of you love gain. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.